occupation of North Africa went ahead rapidly. Beaches close to Algiers were the most easterly of the first landings. Large British forces quickly reinforced the Americans, who were the first to enter the city itself. Algiers was the biggest prize on the coast. As capital of Algeria, it had long been under German control. But for Allied action, it would soon have been in German occupation. Help was forthcoming here from an unexpected quarter, the surrender of the city being ordered by Admiral Darlan. Great troop ships continued to land British soldiers, the men who were to make up General Anderson's First Army. They at once marched into Tunisia. At the Saint-Georges Hotel, the armistice terms were signed. Admiral Cunningham, Lieutenant General Clark, and General Eisenhower negotiated with General Nogue. We end this review of the Mediterranean plan with the latest pictures received from North Africa. These are Italian members of the former Axis Armistice Commission in Algiers. All Mussolini's subjects were rounded up and sent to an internment camp. In the most emphatic gesture of the Latin peoples, the French bade the Italians farewell. We can be pretty certain that Hitler and his satellites and quislings did not have a Merry Christmas. Slowly but inexorably, the ring forged by the Allies is closing in around Hitler's Europe. For Germany, the United Nations in Africa means inevitable defeat.